my channel. If you haven't seen me before, my name is Tommy, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and stick around. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you guys can know when I upload new videos. And yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I went from this picture right here to what my wig looks like now. So it's a really simple process, so go ahead and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later for more updates on this hair. As you see here, I'm already about to cut some up. So I'm about to give this wig some bangs because I don't know, I've always just really liked bangs. So here I am, basically cutting the closure into bangs. So I used some really ratchet hair scissors that cost $1.99, and honestly I use those scissors to cut like everything. So I went to my handy dandy razor, which I use only for like cutting hair and stuff, and that pretty much gets you right. It cuts everything almost perfectly. So I just went ahead and started chopping off the hair. I was kind of a little scared because I didn't know how long I wanted my bangs to be, so that's why it took me so long to get a good position. But I had to be sure because I didn't want my bangs to be too short that, you know, it's like, wow, what are you doing? Like, I didn't want that, so I had to get the perfect length. And then I started looking at my hair and I figured, you know, why don't I give it a trim? Like, let me trim it up as well. You know, it's too long. Like, I like long hair, but for some reason all my wigs have become bobs. I don't know, I just think that I look a lot better with shorter hair, so I end up chopping up like any hair I get. But anyway, so this is what the initial length, and then I went in with the razor comb and just kind of started edging it up, making, you know, some pieces not as blunt, thinning it out. So yeah, this is what this is. I'm pretty much thinning out the bottom because this hair is really thick. Like, this is some good quality hair, so shouts out to SuperNova. And then I decided to put some curls in it to style. And I really like this hairstyle. Like, I love kind of how, I don't like how spacey the bangs are here, but I'm gonna fix that later. But I do love how the hair looks with curls. I think it's absolutely adorable. So here's the finished curls. I think it just looks really cute, very feminine and everything like that. I was really feeling these curls. And then 3 days later, I was like, your girl, how about we cut some more? So I straightened the hair out and I grabbed my razor again. This part was actually a little tedious because I don't know, like I said, people, when I do my hair, I think I do my hair that it looks good to me, but I'm never a perfectionist, so I'm always making mistakes. I'm just really good at hiding them. So I initially cut one side that you see on the right. I cut that side way shorter than I did on the left side. Yeah, so yeah. So I took the wig off and started cutting it like with the wig not on my head. And yeah, so then I tried to like clean it up more just by having, you know, the wig kind of lined up on the counter, and you know, it was cute, you know, so that really helped a lot. And then I started just bumping the hair under, which you're going to see pretty much is the end result of the style. And yeah, I did end up cutting a little bit more on the right side because it was just a tad bit longer, so I used my razor to trim that up again. And that was pretty much how I finished off the hair, and I wore it to class like that. Like, I was supposed to be studying, but I was in my vanity mirror like cutting up a wig. So yep, that's another part of my dilemma. So this is the end result. Guys, welcome back. So now that you've seen me like cut up this hair, I guess we should talk about it, right? First and foremost, I just want to let you guys know that I did not cut the hair because I felt like the hair was thinning or anything like that. I'm really a short hair girl. Like, I will get long hair and try it out for a while, but honestly I really do prefer shorter hair. So bobs are like my go-to. And when I was in high school, I used to really love bangs so much. Like, y'all, I would always like want bangs. My only issue with the bangs is that there used to be a middle part in here. I originally widened the part to make a middle part, and that is a slight issue with my bangs because the hair just wants to like separate right there, if you can see it right here. So I've been trying to like fix this spaciness issue right here. Like, I kind of like how spacey the bangs are, but I just don't like it so spacey right there, smack dab in the middle. So I guess let's talk about updates on this hair. Okay, so originally This hair is body wave, and I got 3 bundles of 22 inches in a 20-inch closure. Now I don't really know how long the hair is right now. Would y'all say this is like 12 or something? Yeah, because I don't think it's 16. 16 is pretty long on me, I think. So this is probably between 10 to 12 inches of hair right now. Again, everything else with the hair is pretty fine. I mean, I have no issues. It's really silky. People tell me like, yo, I have a wig just like that, but your hair is like really silky and stuff. I'm like, girl, because it's human hair, okay? Because this is body wave. I haven't colored it or anything, but I think it probably would take color nicely. I think in my last video I may dye this hair. Yeah, I really like it though. I haven't washed it again because it hasn't really been dirty or anything. Like, I haven't been putting products in the hair, so it really wasn't much need for me to wash it. But it does still feel soft for me not to have washed it. Again, I didn't put any products really in it. Maybe like a humidity spray when I did put some curls in it. I think I should curl it again. I do really like curly hair and bangs. I don't really get tangles with this hair. So yeah, the hair remains relatively tangle free. My only thing that I do get with this hair is shedding. It's not like an excessive amount of shedding. I would say it's about a normal amount, but it is definitely something that I would notice. So yeah, like since I've been combing my hair, I do see like shedding has fallen. Whenever I do experience shedding, unless it's like my hair is like breaking off and like it's like a whole lot of shedding, then that's something that I would note. But if it's not something major like that, I contribute shedding to be completely normal. My own natural hair sheds. I'm not gonna expect weave to just not shed at all. My hair is still super thick, and I do really like it. Again, no tangles, no issues, no odors, no. I mean, the hair's been pretty great. I've been wearing it off and on, so I haven't just been wearing it. Well, I started off wearing it every single day, so I guess for about the first 2 weeks or so I wore the hair for every day, and then recently after I cut it, I started wearing it more, but more so on and off because I've been trying to, you know, try new things with my natural hair. But yeah, overall I really like the wig. I may go in and cut it shorter. I'm not completely sure. What do you guys think? Like, I'm gonna start this thing on my channel where I do question of the days. Most of them will probably be random, but for this one it's gonna be relative to the hair. So question of the day, if I do color this hair, what color should I dye it? It can be a crazy color. It can be like a brown or blonde or something, but tell me what you guys think. I really never done a crazy color, so I guess it will be cool to like brighten my horizon and things that I can do with hair, because, you know, I do basic things. Like, I always dye it like blonde or a lighter brown, but never nothing crazy. I have done like a burgundy dye job, so that's kind of basic too. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think down below. Do you like the new cut? Also, I do. So yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified when I post a new video. And as always, leave me some feedback down below. Also, if you would like to see how I actually made this wig, there is a video on that. So from start to finish, how I created this wig, you can go ahead and click that eye at the top, and it'll take you to the video where I first created this wig and my styling for that video. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.